What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video I wanted to let you guys know I'll be starting an affiliate marketing business and I'll be documenting my journey of what I've learned and any struggles I've had. So if you're interested in that sort of content, make sure you subscribe down below. But the reason why I wanted to start an affiliate marketing business is because during this quarantine time and for some other time, I've been following this American YouTuber called Chad Barley, who is a full-time affiliate marketer that earns 6 figures a year. And I've just been consuming a lot of his content during quarantine time, and I've been doing a lot of research on the affiliate marketing business model. There are two main reasons why I want to start an affiliate marketing business. Number one is that you can make a lot of money. As mentioned before, this guy I've been following on YouTube earns 6 figures a year on just doing affiliate marketing using one platform of affiliate marketing. So there's a lot of potential. And number two is that you can promote products that you're passionate about. So say if you're passionate about fitness and health, or you're passionate about cycling and mountain biking, then you can be promoting products and do affiliate marketing in that sort of sector. So there's not one limited sector. There's so many different sectors that you can do affiliate marketing on. What affiliate marketing is, for those that you don't know, is you're promoting a product from a company, and whenever you make a sale, you get a commission on the sale. So say if you sold something for £100 and you get 30% commission, you would basically make £30 per sale. And obviously making a few sales per day, it all adds up to a large amount, and a lot of people are doing it and are successful. I just wanted to keep this video short and sweet and just let you guys know I'll be starting an affiliate marketing business and be documenting my journey. So this will entail me going through my struggles, what I've learned, what I found difficult, what you could probably benefit from so you don't make my mistake. And I'll be showing you tutorial videos how to do things. So if you're interested in this sort of content and this is what you want to start off, make sure you subscribe down below and also give this video a thumbs up.